Bar hanging is a low-tech but incredibly powerful workout that can strengthen your upper body, grip, and relieve back discomfort. It's also a terrific technique to develop core stability and enhance your posture. All you need is a bar and your body weight to perform it, which makes it a portable and easy type of exercise that can be done practically any place. By strengthening the back and core muscles and decompressing the spine, bar hanging can help relieve lower back pain. Another study indicated that bar hanging might significantly increase grip strength and upper body strength. It was published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research. Finding a safe bar to hang from is the first step. This can be a pull-up bar, monkey bar, or even a tree limb. Verify that the bar can sustain your weight and is robust. Next, take an overhand hold on the bar with your hands shoulder width apart. Lift your feet off the ground while focusing on your core. As you practice holding this posture, try to increase your endurance. Leg lifts, scissor kicks, or even attempting to connect your toes to the bar are some variations you may add to your bar hanging exercise. Bar hanging has a number of benefits that can enhance both your physical and emotional health. 1. Strengthen your shoulders. Building shoulder strength and stability in a naturally unstable position is another benefit of hanging. Again, this can lower the chance of injury and significantly increase your strength for other motions. Here is where the difference between the dead hang or passive hang and the active hang has to be made. In a dead hang or passive hang, you raise your shoulders to your ears while attempting to relax your muscles as much as you can. You should feel a stretch in the pecs and lats, and this is the ideal exercise for mobility. Additionally, it's a fantastic chance to exercise breathing and relaxation techniques. But when you hang actively, you slightly support your weight and compress your shoulders. Maintain straight arms, but tighten your shoulders to become firm. This may help with everything from your bench press to rock climbing and is excellent for stability. 2. Increased grip power. You may strengthen your grip by hanging from a bar, which is helpful for exercises like weightlifting and rock climbing. 3. Back pain reduction. Lower back discomfort may be reduced by stretching and decompressing the spine by hanging from a bar. 4. Hanging for spinal health. The spine can decompress while hanging, which is its primary advantage. The traction produced by hanging aids in the creation of space between the vertebrae and enhances local blood flow. Prior to recording today's hanging video, I had some back pain, but all the hanging has pretty well eliminated it. This becomes much more crucial if you carry a lot of weight on your shoulders all the time. The wrists and elbows benefit much from this traction as well. Additionally, hanging promotes spinal alignment and prevents kyphosis. If you spend a lot of time sitting at a desk or slouching over a phone, this is probably a problem for you. Because they are always in that curled position, many people are lacking in thoracic and cervical spine mobility and extension. This compromises performance and raises the danger of damage. For example, performing a straight handstand is all but impossible because of this. I'm still developing both. Even while I can occasionally perform a handstand rather well, I still frequently fail at them. At least a portion of the problem is shoulder mobility, and I've seen some advantages with even a little hanging. That's why I'm presently stepping it up significantly. 5. Stress reduction. Another effective method of reducing stress and clearing your thoughts is bar hanging. It can be comforting and beneficial to increase mental clarity to hang and concentrate on your breath. Many people think that doing this exercise would make you taller, although there is no scientific proof of such. While bar hanging won't make you taller, it will make you stand up straighter with your shoulders back and down, giving the impression that you are. It's vital to keep in mind, though, that this impact is just fleeting, so you should continue to do it to keep it. Make sure you include this workout in your program and don't forget to perform it. Always remember to warm up before exercising, and pay attention to your body. Stop doing whatever you're doing as soon as you experience any pain or discomfort and seek medical advice. In the comments area below, please share any benefits you have discovered from including bar hanging in your exercise regimen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more workout tips. Don't forget to watch our next video.